So now we are testing the voltage differential amplifier, and since you know that amplification factor is 1000, so I'm keeping input as almost 0. You can see this V in is 0, which is getting amplified here, and the amplification, this amplifier power is 12 volt only. So let me put here, and then I have taken another multimeter to see the power in millivolt. So this I have connected through the input, and this is the amplified one, and you can see the negative sign which represents inverted amplifier. So I'll make it exactly 0. So it is not, you can see that it is not exactly 0, it is 1 point or something fluctuating around 2 millivolt or something like that, which will be correspondingly coming here. So let me little increase this one so that it gets a constant reading. So, and you can observe while having this dynamic value, so the moment I make it 0.1, this goes to the maximum limit of the amplifier, which means it cannot amplify this. Okay, 0.1 means it will be giving 10 volts. So it is exactly going there, and you can see 10 millivolts here. Now I will try to minimize it, and you can see 90 millivolt means 9 voltage, and so here you can see now this is 0.4 millivolt, which is supposed to come as 40, so it is coming as 28 millivolt. Okay, and little bit more if I increase. So exactly it is 23 millivolt means you should get 23 volts, so that is why it is getting increased. Now this is 9 millivolt, just look at here, 9.2 millivolt is coming as 8.85 volts, correct? So it is amplifying 1000 times. So that is how this is observed to be working fine. Now we will connect our sensor to this differential voltage amplifier.